Ashley.
I'm Grace.
I'm Isabella, and we're Mrs. Flanagan's Period 8 Mythbusters, and we're gonna
Bust this myth! Today we're gonna see if an eggshell can dissolve in Coke.
We're going to do a series of 4 trials, 1 hour, 2 hours, 6 hours, and 24 hours to see if this myth can be busted.
You're putting eggs in Coke?
Uh-huh.
What do you think's gonna happen?
Well, see, Harry, if a hard-boiled egg is placed in Coca-Cola for 4 different durations, the eggshell will dissolve in the longest time span. Because of the phosphoric acid within Coke, it will break apart the calcium carbonate compound, resulting in the eggshell to dissolve. The longer the hard-boiled egg is in the substance, the greater the absorption of the phosphoric acid, breaking apart the calcium carbonate bonds.
Whoa, that's so cool.
That's so cool. Supplies.
Beep bop, beep bop, beep bop, beep. Isabella,
Yo, girl, what's up?
you got the eggs?
Yeah,
You got the Coke?
yeah,
You got the cups?
yeah. I got the eggs. I got the Coke. I got the cups. Let's roll!
Now we're going to boil the eggs. The eggs are boiled.
These are the cups that the eggs are going to soak in to test all of our trials.
One hour later.
So I'm gonna pour the Coke into a separate cup to see what the egg looks like. And there's no difference. The Coke stained the eggshell to be brown, but it didn't dissolve.
2 hours later.
Check on our 2-hour trial. So as you can see, it has not dissolved yet, but it is slightly a shade darker than our 1-hour trial. So
Six hours later.
Now we're going to check trial number 3 after 6 hours. Beautiful. The egg is stained just as trial number 1 and trial number 2 were. It doesn't feel much different than it did when we first placed the egg in. Hopefully, the 24-hour one will dissolve a little more than this did.
Meanwhile. "24 hours later."
This is trial number 4 at 24 hours. Let's see how well the egg dissolved now. The egg is much darker than any of the others and has a crack. I believe if it was left in longer, the shell would have dissolved and cracked. Yeah.
according to our trials, the myth is not true and a hard-boiled eggshell doesn't dissolve in Coke. After further investigation, we have come to the conclusion that although our trials proved the myth doesn't work, many cases show that after a larger time span, usually 11 months plus, the eggshell does dissolve. Therefore, our hypothesis wasn't wrong, since we did say the eggshell would dissolve. But our trials weren't efficient since our longest time span was 24 hours. With more time, we believe that we could solve this myth and finally see an eggshell dissolve in Coke.